Statement.
Hey.
Statement right there.
Thank you.
All right, first win ever.
Yes, sir.
Thoughts?
Feeling good. I knew commons would be good for my distance. I mean, I'm not like an MA1 power player, but I feel like my distance for MA2 is pretty solid, so I knew I would have that advantage, and I just played the drives the way I wanted to, and I ended up not missing too many wind putts because of how difficult it was. I managed to come through. So yeah, I'm just psyched I didn't like triple putt too many times. But yeah, other than that, it was great.
Did the wind affect your gameplay?
Yeah, it was affecting everybody. I mean, I was just trying to put the disc like on the tailwind side of the basket so I could, you know, get easier putts, and that was working for me. But yeah, I somehow kept my cool. So yeah, it was great.
Congratulations, Grayden Donner.
Thank you, TG. Let's go.